Good morning, traders. It's Trader Rob. Today is Friday, August 16th, last day of the trading week. Let's get this into the profit. Slight change to the format here this morning. Going to be going over kind of what I'm going to be calling the market morning internals and seeing some of the levels and posting these early enough in the day where hopefully some traders can get some real use out of it. See you guys right after the intro. As always, nothing that I state on my channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital that is put out there is at risk for loss. All right, so kind of due to popular demand, I know I've been getting a lot of requests for some information earlier in the morning. So I obviously create my videos and I start off in the morning at around 7:45. I do post my levels each and every morning into Discord, but obviously by the time that I post my video at the end of the day with my recaps, a lot of those levels, if they're not on Discord, there's really no use to them. So I'm going to be changing the format just a little bit and seeing how this kind of goes. So I'll do a quick video early in the morning, post it, and then summary recap at the end of the day. So taking a look at our strategies from yesterday. First of all, if we start off with the 15-minute Rob reversal, two beautiful trades yesterday, full take profit right off the candle, right off the market open at 8:30. We got a perfect setup. We went long 35 points, full take profit. And then we also had a second trade at the 11:15 candle. We also got an activation to the long. And again, 35 more points. So the strategy rebounded yesterday with 70 points of profit on the 15-minute Rob reversal. I trade these on Ninja Trader. There are automated strategies to take these trades for you. If you're interested in that, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave in the comments that you would like the strategy for the 15-minute Rob reversal. The strategy in oil and in gold are also automated on Ninja Trader, and I will make that available to you. If I take a look at the morning strategies from yesterday, gold had no setup at all during the session. So again, we're looking for an inside bar. That is what our strategy is built on. It is a rules and condition based trading strategy. Very simple rules to follow. And again, there is in the description, there's a link to all of my strategies with very detailed explanations to how to take oil and in gold each morning. In oil, we only had one setup yesterday. So yesterday was actually a pretty slow day. We got an inside bar at 8:55, 9 a.m. close. So we would be using this source bar right here. Stop goes at the bottom of the source. Fortunately, we do get activated into the short on this trade, and we quickly take a loser for about 19 ticks yesterday. So the Rob reversal yesterday obviously kicked some serious butt, that strategy, and it needed to, because in August, it's been one of the first months in a long time where we've had a pretty poor start to the month. And if I look at my levels for the morning, this is on the NQ. If you want to know how I create these levels, there's a video detailed in the description below. I look at levels on a 15-minute and a 5-minute time frame. So my 15 minutes always going to be in a solid blue line. My 5 minutes always going to be in a dotted line. So I've got a level at 19,668. I got a level at 19,634. I've got a 5-minute level at 19,676, and a setup that I have for a possible short would be a tag of the 19,668, retarget the 15-minute level at 19,634, and you've got a 5-minute level as a stop loss at 19,676. You want to put your stop a little bit above that where your risk to reward makes sense. Two quick 5-minute levels at 594 and 584. and a 15-minute level at 19,446. Obviously got respected really, really well. And that level came from right... Where did this level come from yesterday? Oh yeah, right here. So that is that level from yesterday that just got tapped into and respected. A 5-minute level at 19,423. And another 5-minute level at 19,294. Got a few more other levels below us, but obviously price action would have to make a pretty drastic move to get down there. So this would be the only setup right here on the NQ that I would look at today. And if we take a look at the ES, we got very similar setup up here than the NQ, depending on what instrument you like to trade. Again, I would be looking at a short right at the 19,668 number, retargeting the 19,634 15-minute level, and you've got a stop loss at 19,676, but stop right above there. Two quick 5-minute levels on the 594, 584, and a level at 19,446, which is a 15-minute level, much stronger. And then two 5-minute levels at 19,461 and 19,423. Let's see where this level that got respected. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm back on the ES. Jeez, sorry. I knew this looked very similar. Sorry about that, people. All right, now we're on the ES. The ES has got a 15-minute level at 5,575. A 15-minute level at 5,575, a 5-minute level at 5,576. We've got a 5-minute level at 5,564, 5,562, and 5,558. Now, you guys know, based on the strategy, I like to incorporate a 15-minute and a 5-minute level into my setup. So it could be either a take profit, a stop loss, or an entry. So in this scenario, we don't necessarily have that situation. So it's not an absolute rule. A trade scenario on here would look something like this, where you take an entry off the 5,562 level, stop loss at 64, and take profit at 58. And then below us, I believe we have a 5-minute level at 5,529, and we've got a few more levels below us at 5,490, 15-minute level at 5,476, 66, 58, and 40. So again, this would look very similar to this. Yeah. So really only a trade scenario, which is a lower probability setup, just because, again, I'm not incorporating a 15-minute level here, which I consider to be stronger levels. But this could possibly be a trade setup for this morning. Also, obviously, a really nice trade would have looked something like this, a short off of the 55.75. The only issue is that right now I don't have a level very close to it to retarget. You could target this 5-minute level right here. Great risk to reward. Stop loss at 55.76 or a little bit above it to, where obviously your risk to reward still makes sense. And target take profit at 55.64. So those are the two setups here that I see on the ES here this morning. Again, those levels get posted each and every morning. They're already posted on Discord. Link for the Discord is below. Hopefully you guys like this type of format. Hopefully that it provides you guys some value going into the market. All right, let's try to have a green day today. See you guys in a little bit.